Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome to the Art Studio today. I'm Charles Maring, and today we're not talking cameras or computers or lighting. We're talking about sunglasses. I happened to stumble upon these new Bose sunglasses. Of course, Bose brings up the thought of audio. Got a little insight to share with you guys, so stay tuned. So my wife and I are in Laguna Beach, and we're walking up to Las Brisas, which is this really amazing Mexican restaurant, kind of upscale, high on the cliffs, overlooking the ocean. And as I look to my right, I see kind of like a converted Airstream with a lot of people around it. And I'm like, well, what's going on over there? We walk up, and Bose had created somewhat of a pop-up shop, and they were sharing their new Bose Frames sunglasses. And I tried a pair on. As soon as I tried them on, I'm like, I gotta have a pair of these. I'm gonna dive in and show you why now. So if we look at the box, pretty standard but handsome box, of course. We would expect nothing less from Bose. Let's open it up. Inside we have a nice carrying case for the sunglasses. There are some instructions inside of this little piece of paper, this little cardboard box here as well. And inside of the case you will find a little bag, and inside the bag you will find the ability to charge these with a little standard USB charger, and then this connects via magnet to the side of the glasses. Let's take a look at the glasses though. At first glance, they're nothing to write home about because they're pretty standard and traditional, right, in terms of their look. But as we open them up, what you'll see is on one side we've got our charging unit here where we plug it in. And then underneath, if I catch it right in the light, you can kind of see, there are speakers, one in front of the ear, one behind the ear, and one in the middle. And as we put these on, what you'll see is that they have a nice little traditional look. They seem very well built. And I can now hear music streaming from my phone or my Apple Watch or any other Bluetooth connected device. They also work for watching YouTube videos because the lens in them is dark enough to say, okay, I've got a good pair of sunglasses on, they're very clear, but on the indoors, they're not overly dark. So yeah, I've been watching YouTube's videos with it and things of that nature. They also have a little button on the side. So if a call comes in from my buddy while I'm listening to my music, I can click it, and now I'm answering and talking on the phone. It's kind of a hands-free pair of sunglasses for phone conversations. Double click, you can skip forward to your next song. Triple click, you can skip backwards to your previous song. So very simple traditional things that way, works really well. It also is great for instance, we were driving to Las Vegas from Laguna Beach, and since I didn't have a GPS in the rental car, I was able to just wear these and have my phone connected and use the GPS in my phone and listen that way. So a lot of cool features that work really well with these. And I will say this, the bass out of them is not as good as, of course, an in-ear set of headphones. Certainly nothing like wearing a pair of Beats and drowning out the world, but that's actually kind of the plus of them, because what that means is if I'm skateboarding or running, they're very snug in their fit, and I can hear the traffic around me, which I think is actually a pretty cool thing. So I just wanted to share my enthusiasm for these after having them. Let's dive over to their site and take a look real quick. There's two versions of the Bose Frames. One is called the Alto, which is a little square. One is called Rondo, which is a little bit rounder. I think that they really told me these were the men's, these were the women's, but gotta be honest with you, I kind of like the women's better with my face, so that's the direction I went. So they're pretty unisex and really based on your personal taste. But I'll put a link down below. If you're unsure where to find them, just look up in your search Bose Frames. And I think you'll dig them. The battery lasts about 4 or 5 hours, so they seem to last a pretty long time. And I'm really pleased with the visual quality, the clarity, but just love that I can have my own music with me at all times, and the interaction of that hands-free really makes it cool. So a little piece of tech for today. That's a wrap. I appreciate you, everybody. Have a great one. close. And I hope you think of me, laughing, running on the beach. Our channel focuses on creativity, living the dream, and a positive outlook. Subscribe and join us. Go behind the scenes via our vlog, but also learn from us via tech talks, tutorials, and reviews from the perspective of two full-time artists at work.